Theorem: let A be a square matrix of order n. Then A adjoint is equal to determinant A I n, where I n the identity matrix of order n. This is the theorem. Keep in mind, A adjoint A equal to determinant A I n, where I n is the identity matrix of order n, is equal to adjoint A into A. This is a theorem number 2. A square matrix is invertible if it is non-singular. It should be a non-singular. Then you can define here A inverse is equal to 1 divided by determinant A into adjoint A. Theorem: here if A and B are invertible matrices of the same order, then so that AB is invertible and AB inverse is equal to B inverse A inverse. AB inverse equal to B inverse A inverse. Let A be a non-singular square matrix of order n, then determinant of adjoint A is equal to determinant A raised to the power n minus 1. Very important formula this one. Theorem: if A is a non-singular square matrix, then adjoint of A equal to determinant A raised to the power n minus 2 into A. This one also very important question for objective types. Theorem: if A is a non-singular matrix of order n, then determinant of adjoint A equal to determinant A raised to the power n minus 1 whole square. N minus 1 whole square. These are the very important question for 1 marks question. So see here, what is a singular matrix or non-singular matrix? So see here, a square matrix is said to be a singular matrix singular matrix. A square matrix is said to be a singular matrix if determinant A is equal to 0. For example, suppose A is a square matrix 2, 3, here 4, here 6. So determinant A is equal to 2, 4, 3, 6 equal to 12 minus 12 equal to 0. So it is a singular matrix. So it is a singular matrix if non-singular matrix. A square matrix is said to be a non-singular matrix if determinant A is not equal to 0. For example, suppose A is a matrix, here 4, 2, 3, 6. Then determinant A is equal to 4, 3, 2, 6. So here 24 minus 6, 24 minus 6 equal to 18, which is not equal to 0. So it is a non-singular matrix. So it is a non-singular matrix. So see here, if determinant is equal to 0, then it is called a singular matrix. If determinant is not equal to 0, then it is called a non-singular matrix. Find the inverse of the matrix. Find the inverse of the matrix. Question is here. Find the inverse. Find the inverse of the matrix. Of the matrix 2, 3, minus 1, 4. So first of all, we have to find out the determinant of a matrix. We have to check the determinant is equal to 0 or not. So see here. So let A is a matrix 2, minus 1, 3, 4. So determinant A is equal to 2, 3, minus 1, 4. So determinant A is equal to 2 into 4 minus, according to rule, 3 multiply minus 1. So this one is equal to 8 plus 3 is equal to 11, which is not equal to 0. So this is a non-singular matrix. Non-singular matrix. So then after you can use A inverse equal to adjoint A divided by determinant A. This formula you have to use. If non-singular, then use the formula to find out the inverse of a matrix A. So here adjoint for adjoint, here adjoint A is equal to. So see here, this is a 2 by 2 matrix. So we know the formula to find out the adjoint of a matrix direct. You have to transfer this diagonal. You have to transfer this diagonal. So 4 and here 2, and this diagonal you have to multiply by, in this diagonal you have to multiply by negative sign. So minus 3 and here become plus 1. So adjoint A, you got adjoint A. Now A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant A. So determinant A is 11. So 1 by 11 here, 4, 1 minus 3, 2. So this one becomes 4 by 11, 1 by 11 minus 3 by 11 and 2 by 11. So this is the A inverse. So we got find the inverse of a matrix. So A inverse is equal to 4 by 11 minus 3 by 11, 1 by 11, 2 by 11.